Let's make this simple beaded wire wrap pendant together. Materials you will need: a bead of your choice. I'm using an 8 mm pink cat's eye bead, 24 gauge copper wire and 18 gauge copper wire. Tools you will need: a ruler, a flush cutter, a bent nose or chain nose pliers, needle nose or chain nose pliers, so you need 2 pairs of pliers, and then a round nose or a 6-step bail making plier. I like the 6-step looping pliers because then my loops are more consistent, so this is what I'm going to be using today. So now that we've gone over the tools and materials we need, let's make a simple pendant to show you how you use those wires and the tools. So I'm going to use my 18 gauge wire right off of the spool, and if it has a sharp edge, I'm going to flush cut that so that it is a flat edge. And then I'm going to use my looping pliers, and you can see I've kind of numbered the sizes here just so that I have them for easy reference. I'm using the 3 mm step to make this first loop, and then I'm going to use the largest step to make the second loop. Okay, so that it looks like a 8 with a large bottom and a small head. And then I'm going to snip off the wire with the flush end of my cutter facing the finished piece. So this is the jagged end and this is the flush end. And then with my bent nose or chain nose pliers, I'm just going to make sure that that wire is lined up with the loop and the loop is closed out. Now I'm going to take my 26 or 28, so here I'm using 28 gauge copper wire, and take about 6 inches. I don't think I need, actually 4 inches would do, so I'm just going to cut that. And then I'm going to wrap the wire 5 times on this side. And if you find that the wire is getting short, you can use your pliers to help you with the wraps. So I'm just going to do 4 or 5 wraps on one side. And then make sure to tuck that end in. And then I'm going to get those wraps together because it looks much neater when you do that. Around one more time. And then string on the bead of your choice. So and then string on the bead of your choice. Here I have a beautiful pink cat's eye bead, so I'm going to just string that on towards the bottom of that circle, and then wrap 5 or 6 times again. And just make sure that that first one is taut because you want the bead to be secure there, and then the wraps get easier after that. And if you've done 6 wraps on the first side, you're also going to do the same here because you want it to look even and finished. And then I'm going to cut the wire and make sure to tuck it in again. Okay, so that's the pendant. Now to attach a jump ring on the top so you can string it onto a chain or a rope, I'm going to use a jump ring. And I've linked a set of jump rings, a kit of jump rings down below. So you'll just take a large jump ring from that. You'll open the jump ring by twisting it, slip on your pendant, and then twist the jump ring close. Now you can string any rope or chain through that jump ring and you have a pendant ready. See how easy that was? With just a few basic tools and materials, you can create stunning jewelry pieces right from your home. Wire wrapping is not only an affordable but also incredibly rewarding art. This is my creative release and I try to get some done every single day. You can also make personalized gifts, you can sell your craft, or simply enjoy the process of creating beautiful pieces. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with my latest tutorials. Happy jewelry making!